In Slovenia, there are a lot of smaller and bigger museums. One of them is the train station museum of the company Slovenske železnice, Slovenian Railways. You can find it in Ljubljana, near the real train station. There you can see a part of the collection of steam locomotives and other museum vehicles, all the devices that are needed for the working of the trains and train stations, communication devices, and a few other things. For me, one of the most interesting was formation, which in a way gave you a chance to go back to the time of the Austro-Hungarian monarchy. But on the other hand, the most revolting part of the museum was definitely its surroundings, which was totally abandoned. I would say it's worth to see only if you are very interested in trains and everything about them. I give them 2 of 6.